So I took a trip back to Canada to see my hometown family and friends, and I was shocked to see the state of my friend Conrad's dorm room. It was giving the bare minimum and honestly just depressing, and it killed me knowing that somebody was living like that. So my hometown best friend Kansas and I knew we had to do something to help. So we went to an IKEA parking lot, made a floor plan, and we got to work. And in less than 12 hours, we transformed his dorm room from feeling like a jail cell to looking like it belongs on Pinterest. So watch till the end of this video to see how it turned out. We have a plan, Conrad. Don't worry.
I hope so, because this is a lot of stuff.
All right, we're in the car right now at the IKEA parking lot, but we just drafted up this plan of exactly what we're gonna do, where we're gonna put the furniture, and a list of the things that we need to get. He has no idea what we're about to do, but we're Snapchatting him right now, and he's so oblivious, but we're about to do a whole dorm makeover. How excited are you?
I'm so excited.
Dorm room makeover. Let's do it. He's literally a boy that just doesn't care. It's just like, you guys know how boys are. They'll sleep with no bed sheets, like no fucking pillows. We have to make this feel alive. Quick little announcement, guys. It is the day before I'm posting this video right now, and I just had to tell you that we just hit 2.9 million subscribers. That literally means we're this close to 3 million subscribers. So if you guys haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, because 3 million is kind of a big deal. Oh my god, I just got another subscriber. I can literally just click on your comment and see if you're subscribed or not. Let me know down in the comments, because we're on the road to 3 million. Okay. Bye. First stop, this is like Christmas. Okay, so the color scheme that we're thinking is like earth tones, because it's literally gray and jail right now.
Jail is how I describe it.
So we're gonna go for maybe like more earth, like greens, tan, something like cozy. You know what I mean? Not depressing. Anything but that. Okay, there's like a mock-up of this room, so I'm trying to see what we could do, but I like a whiteboard. I think that he needs a whiteboard.
100%.
I love my whiteboard with a burning passion. It is literally the best thing that I've ever bought in my entire life. It just motivates you. So we're gonna get him a whiteboard. We want to get 2 chairs, or this couch could be small enough to fit in there, but we don't know. We're thinking this may be the one.
Yeah, because then if he has a girl over, then they can like both.
You know what I mean? But it's like you're forced to cuddle. This is good. Okay, I think we're gonna get this one.
A few moments later.
Okay, never mind. That other one is sold out, but we found this corner one, which I think it could go in the corner where his door of like the old roommate used to be, because basically that door you can't even open. Like, it's literally just locked, so there's no use. It's basically just a wall. His roommate just moved out and didn't tell him.
We're like, did he die? But he took his stuff, so he's alive.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi. Nice to meet you.
Say hi. I just met a subscriber, Maria. She said she was supposed to be at West End the other day. Okay, so we're thinking 2 chairs, but this one's in stock. It like matches that one, so I think that this one will be right by the fridge, and then that one will be in the corner. So you have like basically enough seating for 2 to 3 people. If he's ever gonna even have people over. I think that this is the side table we're gonna get, because it can hide stuff in here, like blankets and stuff, and you won't be able to see it, and it adds like a little earth tone. Okay, so I think we're gonna get these just because it looks pretty and it's practical. Like, you can store a lot of different things here. Okay, so we're trying to think of like ways to add some color into his life. So we're thinking 2 little chair pads, because this place already comes with seats, so we can't buy new seats, but we can zhuzh it up a little bit with these $11.99 chair pads in the cart. I love the way that IKEA decorated this room. And look, they have a little meditation corner. So cool. But I'm thinking that we get a room divider for his closet, kind of like this, because his closet is just bare and open right now. You can see the whole shelving unit, and it's just like, you need some separation in your life. Let's transfer it to a cart. This is where the fun happens. All right. Good to go. So to be honest, I don't remember his room, but I don't think that he had a comforter or anything. So I think that having like a colorful comforter with like maybe a pattern could add a lot to it. So we really like this one, but I thought it'd be too plain. So we're gonna go with this one to like add some dimension and like visually pleasing. Like, there's something going on. You're not thinking about how much you hate your life type shit, you know? All right, about an hour has gone by since I last vlogged, and we now have 3 carts full of things. We're doing a whole like home makeover right now. We got mirrors, artwork, all of these plants. This is actually crazy how much stuff we have, and I don't know how we're gonna bring it all up, but this is really a whole room makeover. So excited.
I'm so glad we have someone that
he has a truck. Drove all the way from White Court just to be here.
He has no clue.
How would you describe Conrad as a guy?
Very gentleman-like. Yeah.
Yeah?
Just a nice guy.
Very nice, very sweet. Not one.
2 okay.
Not 2, but 3 carts. I love you, Conrad. Holy, that's a long receipt. Thank you. Okay, Brody just brought his truck up, so now we're gonna load everything into his truck. But we have a master plan, guys. I'm so excited for you guys to see this all unfold, because I'm excited. Like, this is great. This is really great. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to make this happen, to be able to treat my friends and people that I grew up with, and just my day ones.
Gotta throw a party for my day ones.
Thank you. Because without you, I wouldn't be able to purchase any of these things.
I've never done this before. Cheers.
Since when did IKEA have poutine? What the? Hi. Could I get the Swedish meatballs, please? And then I'll also get a small poutine. Delicious. I'm so excited to eat right now. These are the best things ever. I swear this IKEA meal is one of my favorite all-time meals of my entire life. Just something about it. And this poutine, let's rate the IKEA poutine. Whoa, this gravy has got some like addictive flavor to it. I'm living my best life right now. What, like 3 hours later, we're done at IKEA? That was way more than I thought we were gonna do.
Me too. I was expecting it to be like, okay, a lot, but like not
Not
like,
that
like,
much.
Oh, fuck.
All right, just before we go to Conrad's though, we are gonna go to Walmart because we need to pick up a candle to set the mood, the ambiance, and also command strips to hang everything up. You need these 12 pairs. Let's just get, I'm just gonna get all of them. I don't give a f. So we just Snapchatted him and he was in his car. So we were like, where are you going? He said he was gonna go get food. So then Kansas was like, oh, me and Mai wanna hang out. And he said, sorry, I can't tonight. I have to finish his assignment. But little does he f***ing know he's not finishing his assignment tonight. Oh my God. Guys, okay, so there's Brody's truck. He has all this stuff. Basically, we're gonna have this plan where we're gonna be like, oh, we got you a blanket and a candle, and then be like, and all of this shit. This is so nerve-wracking.
Conrad. Hi.
Hi.
What are you guys doing?
How was your Subway?
I haven't ate it yet.
We went to Westminster Mall. We went to the water park. We went
To Galaxyland.
but then we also went to IKEA and got you this blanket and this candle from Walmart.
Oh, this is for me?
Yeah.
Yes.
To make your
To make
yeah,
your
it's gonna
apartment
smell
better. Why, you think it smells good?
That smells pretty good. I love it.
Also, wait, let me show you, Conrad. Look. Come here. We also got you so many decorations.
This is for me?
Yes.
Oh my God.
So many decorations.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. So we're gonna set this up. So no assignment right now. I'm sorry.
Alright, this is fun. I can get like a bin and we just all put it in it.
A bin?
Yeah,
Okay, yeah, go get a bin.
This is perfect.
He doesn't even know.
What the hell is that?
We also forgot to mention there's also a truckload.
What is going on? Wow, this is very unnecessary.
We planned it all out. Don't worry, everything has a spot. We drew out a floor plan and everything.
What the hell?
Yeah, everything is going to plan. Conrad and Brody don't think it's gonna fit, but me and Kansas have a master plan. But this is the before. Let me show you guys. First plan of action is we're gonna put the rug down. But we need to move this table to elsewhere, like there.
I'm still in shock of what's going on right now.
Me too. Time is currently 7:20. We're gonna put on his bed sheets and everything. We've been out there building everything else, but Kansas just set this up. Which, oh, this fits so perfectly. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, this already looks so good. The colors and everything, like this is looking so homey. Where's this rug going? Here.
Yeah.
Okay, so we just put this rug down, put our little rug stopper under it, but look at this. This green with this green, oh, it's too good. And this is so matchy-matchy. No f***ing way. Kansas, this looks so
I
good.
love this. I can't believe how well everything's coming together.
Okay, we kind of have it semi-done now, but Conrad's gonna take a peep of what it's looking like.
Oh my God. This is insane.
Isn't it looking cozier?
This is not the same room.
They fit.
That looks so good. Okay, let's put the rest. Okay, so everyone always asks me how I hang so much shit up in my house even though it's a rental. You gotta get command strips. I use these to hang mirrors, art, anything. These are the strongest things ever. Okay, it is day 2 now. We didn't finish last night, but we are gonna finish putting up all the posters and stuff just because we didn't have enough command strips. But the room's coming together. It's not fully done yet. Maybe a couple more things such as like the mirror and stuff, but everything's looking really good. Let's put these posters up. Okay, so we just finished up hitting up the paintings, and the paintings, IKEA paintings. This looks crazy. It's so cool seeing your wall full.
Yeah, right?
Like, my place don't even look like this. Yeah, so we have this circle mirror, but since his roommate's not here anymore, we're thinking of just covering this door with it. At first I thought that was weird, but it's just extra wall space, and like right when you walk in, just seeing a mirror is gonna make the place seem so much bigger, so we're gonna do that.
That's amazing.
They're gonna be like, damn, he really just said fuck you to the roommate. So we have the same board that is in his room, but just in white, and I thought it'd be good to like hold skincare and stuff like that. Right? Perfect.
Like that.
Amazing. Conrad, you are literally a skincare girly. So good. Y'all need I think we put too much weight on it all at once. Basically, you're supposed to wait an hour before you put on it, but we cut to the point. Hi, and welcome to my MTV Cribs Tour College Edition featuring Conrad's room. You want to say hi, Conrad?
Hi.
So first, when you walk in, behind the door we have this daily habits whiteboard that we put over top of a bunch of ugly things. I think it was like the fire evacuation, but who needs to know that? Then we have this painting poster that is from IKEA. You know, just adds like a little pizzazz, some more nature in here because it kind of felt a little bit like jail. But down here, we have this chair. I thought it'd be good, you know, seating for someone else if they were here. We're thinking about how we can make this place functional and have guests over. But we have this side table right here, but it functions as a storage unit as well because you can lift this up and put anything under it if you'd like. You know, we're thinking, how can we make sure everything has a purpose? But over here is the kitchen. We literally did nothing to it except add this. But without this, it looked so bad. Like, it just still looked uncozy. This really tied it all together. But since they already had chairs here, I thought I would add some pizzazz and put these on it, you know? Like, this just adds some life. And then this is actually probably my favorite corner of the living room or of the place. I just think that this is so, when you walk in, it's just like, wow. So we have this plant here to, you know, add some earthiness to it. But this lamp is amazing because it casts a light up on the roof. But then you also have this one. So let's say you're sitting here. This light is amazing. We have this picture because Conrad likes, what do you like?
Elk and deer.
And then we have this mirror here that we put over top of his old roommate's door. His roommate's actually still in there. We haven't let him out since. No, I'm kidding. Oh, and then we have this rug, which we had to get a rug. That was the most important thing because these concrete floors are not it. Then over here, we have his room. His room is now straight out of Pinterest and I'm so jealous.
Look at this.
Here you have his closet. Now his closet was looking a little bit bunk because it's just you could see everything and it's just like you want some separation in your life, especially in small spaces. So we got this room divider from IKEA. And it's super nice because it just like the closet is still there. It's just a little bit more hidden. And then over here we have the nightstand. It's like a green one. I think it just fits perfectly. And then of course I had to get him this because he needs to be reminded of who decorated his room. Anyway, so a bed frame and a desk already came with his room. We just had to spice it up a little bit. So we added this rug here for some warm coziness. Again, rugs really change a room, but we decided to go for a green bedspread because I just felt like having just all white it's cool and all, but I feel like you need a little pop of color in your life. I feel like we're all trying to be so minimalistic, which is cool, but this is also cool. Over here we have the desk area. We didn't really do much to the desk except for add this lamp, which was amazing, and it just really makes the place feel cozy. And then over here is his organization and another whiteboard. Then over here we have all of his new artwork that we set up. I think that this is very Conrad of him, you know, nature and just grr. So yeah, it fills up the wall space very nicely. And then I really love this corner. We have this plant, but I elevated it on this plant stand. I love elevating plants. And then we have this mirror because again, it makes the space feel better. And I think that everyone deserves a full length mirror. Last but not least, we have the bathroom. This is what we added because again, wall space. He had his stuff on the counters and stuff before, and this just kind of gets it off the counters, just in your face. So you get motivated to like put some cologne on, do your skincare, all of that stuff. And then over here, we have the organization. Literally, it's the same here, just bins now so that it looks a little bit cleaner. And then also, if you want to go the extra mile, if you live in a place like this, you could put a bar here, kind of like one of those shower curtains, and have a thingy. What do you think of the place?
This is amazing. Best room I ever had. Like, I don't even know what happened. And just overnight, my room's a different thing. Like,
What did your room look like when you grew up?
not like this. Like, I think I had a jersey in my room. And that was about it.
That's literally all he had. He had a desk, a bed, and one thing on his wall. When I say that he does the bare minimum, he does the bare minimum. But he's a boy. What can you expect?
I mean, I tried.
But anyways, that is it for the MTV Cribs tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope this inspires you to maybe elevate your space a little bit because everyone deserves a nice place to live in because it matters a lot. Anyways, that's it for the video. Subscribe. Let me know what other things I should decorate. Say bye.
Bye.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my bread. Power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest.